If you've been wondering how to print an Evernote notebook, here's the important thing to know right away. Evernote does not give you a print notebook button for an entire notebook. That means you can't just click one option and print everything at once. Instead, you'll need to print the notes inside that notebook individually. The good news is, the process is simple once you know where to look, and I'll walk you through it step by step. If this video helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Evernote and go to the notebook that contains the notes you want to print. Once you're inside, choose the note you want to print first. Open that note so it appears on your screen in full view. Now look to the top right corner of the note window. You should see the three dots menu, which is the More Options menu. Click those three dots and a list of actions will appear. From that menu, select Print. This is the option that sends the current note to your printer. After you click Print, your Print dialog box will open. Here you can choose your printer, select how many copies you want, and adjust your printing settings such as page size, orientation, and color options. Take a moment to review everything before you continue, especially if your note is long or includes images, because print settings can affect how the content looks on paper. Once everything looks correct, click Print again to confirm. That will print the current Evernote note. Now, if you need to print multiple notes from the same notebook, you'll have to repeat that process for each note. Open the notebook, open the first note, click the three dots, choose Print, and then send it to your printer. After that, move on to the next note and do the same thing. It's a bit more manual than printing an entire notebook with one click, but it's the current way to do it in Evernote. If your goal is to print an entire notebook for reference, you may want to go through the notebook one note at a time and print only the notes you actually need. That helps keep things organized and prevents wasted paper. And if you're trying to save time, it can help to sort through the notebook first so you only print the most important notes. So to recap, Evernote does not offer a built-in notebook print button, but you can still print by opening each note individually and using the print option from the three dots menu. It's quick once you get used to it, and it works whether you're printing one note or several notes from the same notebook. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.